But first, former Belmont County attorney Mark Thomas pleaded guilty today to one count of mail fraud, a federal crime punishable by up to 20 years in prison. Thank you for joining us for 7 News at 6. I'm Steve Moore. 7 News anchor Rebecca Little joins us now live in the 7 News studio with more details. Rebecca.
Steve, Mark Thomas pled guilty to a crime related to stealing more than $800,000 from an elderly victim with dementia. And according to court documents, Thomas defrauded a client while acting as her agent under a power of attorney from 2012 through August of 2019. Thomas took the victim's money without her knowledge or permission to use for his own benefits. The documents also revealed that Thomas falsely told a banker he needed $200,000 from the victim's investment account to set up an educational fund that the victim wanted to establish. And in January of 2014, Thomas cashed more than $290,000 of the victim's U.S. Treasury bonds, then subsequently transferred $200,000 into his law firm's bank account and eventually into his own personal bank account. The court documents also say that in 2016, Thomas wrote letters to 3 life insurance companies pretending to be the victim, asking to cash out the victim's policies and direct all correspondence to Thomas himself. The documents go on to say that Thomas improperly used the victim's power of attorney and his status as a lawyer even after his law license was revoked in 2015. He was indicted by a federal grand jury back in September of 2021. And just a few short hours ago, Thomas resigned from his position as a St. Clairsville councilman. He was also a former Belmont County commissioner at one time. Reporting live in the 7 News studio, I'm Rebecca Little, working for you.